Well, parents, I have to think you probably love when your kids play board games. Exercises the mind, right? But they can be a little messy, can't they? Our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is here with some helpful tips on keeping that game room clean. What a great idea, Vicki.
Well, I know, and it's fall and the rain is coming, and so it's just a good time to hunker down and have some family fun. So I thought I'd share some ideas today, Molly, from our own organizing team. So I polled our Restoring Order team, and they all sent in how they organize games. So we're going to give you some behind-the-scenes tips today. And this first one here I want to show you is, just dedicating a cupboard or a cabinet in your home for games. But what I want you to notice about this picture is that the games are set up vertically, like books. And this really helps you to optimize space if you're trying to get every last game in a small cupboard. So that's the first idea, is just dedicate a cupboard or a cabinet.
I love it.
Yeah.
What's next?
Okay, so then the next one is from my home, and this is a giant gym basket that I want to show you here, and it's open shelves. And what we do here is we put all of our games, our Monopoly, and even the little hand games. And so you can do an open shelf system in your home, and here you can see at the top, Molly, Rocket Socket, and all the games that my kids have go here. Now, the advantage is the same thing as the disadvantage. In an open shelf system, you can see it, right?
Yeah.
So then you have to maintain it. So if you or your kids are not willing to manage all these games, and it could become kind of an eyesore, but we like it because some of the games are oversized, like Monopoly, and they don't really fit in certain shelves, cabinets. And so it works really well for us. It also has a few little drawers where we can put the hand games.
Okay, this next one I really, really like.
I know. Well, so let's say you don't have furniture or a cabinet that you can put the games in. You can tuck them away in a closet using a wardrobe organizer. So one of our organizers does this. She just got this little wardrobe organizer, hang it on the bar, and then stow your games in it. And of course, you can get as many wardrobe organizers as you have games, but lots of people have a non-optimized closet, so that's a great way to tuck them away out of sight.
Yeah, and then you have something for the little games, huh?
Yeah, we do, actually. So one of our professional organizers is a mom to teenagers, and so I think this is brilliant. In her family room, right by the couch on the ottoman, she has all of the hand games in jars. So you can, pull out Phase 10 or Jenga or some dice, and it just is really inviting to give your games valuable real estate.
Yes, and I know this next one is your personal favorite.
Yes, this is my favorite. This last one is from our home. This is our Tabletop Caddy. I put it on the dinner table, and then we can just play games. We love the questions games, and so we have several of those. We love to pull out Uno and just make mealtime fun time. And it's just a great time to do that as the weather is turning. And there's all these tips on our Facebook page today at Restoring Order.
I love it. You make game rooms look good, Vicki.
Oh,
thank you so much. You make me want to play a game. Thank you for coming in.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.